guys, so today is a sad day. I replaced my clay slime snowball with a light pink texture. So this was snowball lagayan, and now it's now gonna be a pink slime, a light pink. And I have a slime from my sister, which is in my other channel. It's called Selena Therese Tayag. The spelling of my Therese is Therese. And then Tayag is Tayag. Tapos my Selena is Celina. Dream on. But now this is real slime. I'm happy that it's slime, but I'm not happy that I replaced Snowball with somebody else. I miss you, Snowball. I'm sorry I replaced you. I was like getting the white. Okay. We good. It's so cool, guys. I love it. And this is my pink slime that my Aju gave me. So let's just cover Light Pinky. Now she is named Light Pinky.